Dear DJI, the Osmo Action 4 with the latest firmwares on the camera and the app. If I turn on the Osmo Action 3 and go into the settings and click on Pro, if I go into the microphone, could you tell us why we do not have omnidirectional audio over here, front, rear, and all? But please do tell us as well why the screen is starting to dim down when standby is on never. These are the two issues, concerns, and requests that I asked to get fixed. Please allow the camera to stay on and look like this 100% full, because people may think that is an issue.